Number 1.
1964 Chevrolet C20, price $8,500. It is equipped with a 292 motor paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, running on gasoline, which gives it that authentic old-school driving feel. The truck is finished in white with a tan interior, a timeless color combination that highlights its classic style. While not in perfect condition, the truck is very much a driver. It has been off the road for a few years, but it still starts, runs, and drives. There are some areas that will need attention. The windshield has a crack, the lights and blinkers are not currently functioning, and there is a minor oil leak. The tires are also about 10 years old, so they could benefit from replacement. As expected, it drives like an old truck, but that is part of its authentic character. Despite these issues, the C20 retains a good, solid body, which speaks to the durability of Chevrolet's design from this era. With a clean title and the current owner's name, this truck represents a solid foundation for someone looking to restore, enjoy, or simply preserve a genuine piece of American automotive history.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, showing 92,000 miles, comes with a clean title and is finished in tan inside and out. It runs on its original 454 TBI engine paired with a recently rebuilt TH400 automatic transmission featuring a Hughes torque converter, Transco shift kit, Colleen steel plates, and Alto red clutch plates, along with an Inland Empire rebuilt driveshaft. The truck is well equipped with CRBEO numbered, smog check legal Doug Thorley headers, a 50-state legal Edelbrock Performer TBI intake, with the original intake included, new Firestone Transforce load range E tires, fresh rear brakes, Firestone rear airbags, and Monroe Magnum shocks. Comfort and utility upgrades include custom houndstooth upholstery with new foam, a new headliner, Alpine stereo with amplifier, a draw-tight 2-inch hitch with brake controller, and Happy Jack camper mounting points. It passed its most recent smog check on July 5, 2025 and is registered through June 2026. Flaws are limited to a leaking oil pan gasket, a slow-operating right front window, and peeling paint on the right rear door.
Number 3.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. The truck has 316,000 miles on the odometer, though the engine itself has only about 50,000 miles since replacement. It is equipped with a 350 V8 engine with fuel injection, paired to a 4L 64-speed automatic transmission that was rebuilt just a year ago. Power is delivered through an NP241C transfer case to a limited-slip rear end, while a rebuilt rear driveshaft ensures smooth performance. The suspension has been extensively refreshed with new ball joints and all bushings replaced, along with new front hubs and CV axles. Steering has also been updated with a new gearbox and power steering pump. Recently, the AC system was rebuilt and fitted with a scroll-type compressor, known to be more reliable than the original design. Inside, the truck features a Kenwood stereo with Bluetooth, cruise control, and a 1991 gauge cluster that includes a tachometer for improved instrumentation. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet K30, price $8,995. This is a former service truck retired from the Romance, Arkansas Fire Department. Finished in red both inside and out, it is powered by a 6.2L Detroit diesel paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, a 14-bolt rear, and manual 4x4. Running on diesel fuel, the truck shows no significant rust and remains in solid condition. Recent maintenance includes new batteries, new tires, fresh oil, and upgraded glow plugs. A few modifications have been added, such as manual glow plug control, a doghead relay conversion, and Super 10 mufflers, which enhance its reliability and performance. Practical additions include a fuel transfer tank and an in-bed toolbox. The truck runs and drives well, though the steering could benefit from a new drag link.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. This truck is a timeless classic that combines vintage style with solid mechanics. It is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, giving it the strength and character these old Chevy trucks are known for. The motor has already been replaced, which adds value and reliability, though the transmission still needs some attention to bring it back to its full potential. Even so, the truck starts up without issue, drives smoothly, and stops properly, making it a great foundation for anyone interested in restoring or customizing a dependable 1980s Chevy pickup.
Number 6.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,500. It has 180,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a beige interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the legendary and nearly indestructible 4.9L inline-6 V6 engine. The truck is equipped with dual gas tanks that are fully functional, a solid exhaust system, a brand new battery, and a new alternator. Both the air conditioning and heater are in good working order, and the truck also features tinted windows, a split rear window, and a Kenwood stereo system for added comfort and convenience. It rides on original racing wheels that remain in excellent condition, while the interior is complete and in decent shape overall. With its classic styling and clean Texas title, this truck is more than just a driver.
Number 7.
1981 Ford F-150, price $3,300. This truck is a classic pickup with 69,000 miles on the odometer, showing that it has plenty of life left. It comes with an automatic transmission for smooth driving and is powered by a strong 302 V8 engine, which still runs well. The truck carries a bold presence with its black exterior, complemented by a vibrant red interior that highlights its vintage style. Brand new tires have just been fitted, adding to its road readiness and reliability. While the bed does show some visible rust, it doesn't take away from the overall appeal of the truck. It does require a new power brake booster, but aside from that, it remains a solid driver with classic charm.
Number 8.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, comes with 140,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in a classic brown color. While the truck runs on gasoline, it features factory air conditioning and heating, along with power windows and door locks for added convenience. Recent maintenance includes new fuel tanks, a selector valve, filler neck, pump, and a rebuilt Edelbrock 600 carburetor. Additionally, it has been fitted with a new distributor, cap, high output coil, wires, and spark plugs. The rear brakes, hardware, and wheel cylinders have also been replaced. Overall, the Chevrolet runs, drives, shifts, handles, and stops exceptionally well, making it a solid example of a well-maintained classic pickup.
Number 9.
1993 Ford F-150, price $4,999. This truck comes with 146,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, it runs and drives remarkably well for a 32-year-old truck. The vehicle has been well cared for, with maintenance records available and a clean Carfax history. It is equipped with power windows and locks, an aftermarket alarm system, and an upgraded stereo.
Comfort is ensured with both ice-cold air conditioning and a functional heater. Riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, this truck offers both durability and performance. Fueled by gasoline, it remains a solid and dependable choice for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Number 10.
1984 Chevrolet S10, price $2,800. This truck has around 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Finished in off-white with a brown interior, it runs on gasoline with a 2.8L V6 paired to a 700R4 overdrive transmission, an original Supersport model. The truck is a rare find with a straight body and only a couple of small dings. It drives well and handles smoothly on the highway, making it a dependable daily driver or an excellent platform for an LS swap. Some minor work is needed, including the gas gauge, shocks, a small valve-covered gasket leak, and the blinker switch. Still, it has no rust, comes with power locks and windows, good tires, a new carburetor, a new water pump, and is offered with a clean title and current insurance.